Most toilet installations fail or leak because the flange and seal are not set at the correct height and compressed properly during installation. Toilet flange height should be flush with the finished floor or up to 1/4 inch above it for a reliable seal. Before fitting the bowl, always inspect the flange for cracks, warping, or movement, and replace it if any damage is present. Clean old wax and debris completely and dry the area so the new seal sits on a solid surface. And if the flange sits below the finished floor by more than 1/4 inch, use a flange extension kit or a reinforced spacer ring to bring it up to the correct level. Avoid relying solely on the cheapest wax rings because they compress unevenly over time. Use a wax ring with a polyethylene sleeve or a mechanical rubber gasket designed for offset or recessed flanges when alignment is imperfect. Tighten closet bolts evenly in small increments while rocking the bowl slightly to seat it, and stop when the bowl touches the floor to prevent overcompression that can crack porcelain. If the floor is soft or the subfloor shows signs of rot, replace and reinforce the subfloor and use stainless steel or brass bolts long enough to engage the flange and flange studs without bottoming out. Common mistakes include using a thin wax ring on a recessed flange, which leads to slow leaks and odor. The fix is to use a thicker wax ring with a sleeve or a mechanical gasket and verify flange height. Another frequent issue is over-tightening bolts, which causes hairline cracks and leaks. Instead, tighten bolts evenly by hand and finish with a quarter turn using a wrench while checking for porcelain stress or rocking. People also fail to address a compromised subfloor, which hides progressive rot and leads to flange movement. Pull the toilet, inspect the joist and sheathing under the fixture, repair or sister joists as needed, and install a plywood repair patch before resetting the flange and toilet. We built BigHomeProjects.com so homeowners can find local contractors for projects like toilet replacement and subfloor repair, and so contractors can connect with nearby work leads. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we share installation tips, product experiences, and local contractor recommendations.